Alright, so this is a GE dishwasher heater, and I'm going to show you how to check it. Now, what you're looking for, maybe your dishwasher is not heating and you're thinking you might need to change the heater. A lot of times it's not the heater, it could be the board. This is a GE dishwasher. The whole sub-assembly's out. Sometimes this can cause if this is tripped, this will turn your heater off. Okay, it does have a reset button there, so keep that in mind. So put it on there like that. If you have continuity, the heater's good. Another thing you want to check for is on the body. You want to make sure it's not cracked or damaged in any way, shape, or form. Go all the way around. But pretty much just checking that is sufficient. You shouldn't have any sound unless you put it back over there and you should get a beep. That means the heater is good. So this guy here, okay, let's just say he was tripped, okay? The heater will test good, but the power that comes in goes through it and comes back through here is going to be basically disconnected. So basically, if you disconnected this and now the power is coming in, it's not going to be heating the heater. So you'd also want to check this to make sure it's good, and you should have continuity. Okay, so yeah, he's good, guys. So if he is open, if the circuit is not open, then when the power comes in from the board to go to the heater, comes in from up here from the board, the purple goes in, goes through this and come back out, and then it goes to the heater to complete the circle or the cycle, and then goes back to the board, to the relay. So if this is broken, your heat will not work. So make sure you check this as well. Thanks for watching.